Going to work. Nora goes to work every morning. She likes calm mornings, but she does not stay at home for long. After breakfast, she gets ready and leaves the house with her bag. The street is quiet when she opens the door. The air is cool, and the light is soft. A few cars move slowly on the road. Nora looks at the sky for 1 second and then starts walking. Her bag is on one shoulder, and her phone is in her hand. She checks the time and puts the phone away. She does not want to be late. She wants to catch the bus on time. The bus stop is not far from her house. Nora walks there every day. She knows the road very well now. She passes a small shop, a tree, and a corner with a bus sign. When she gets to the bus stop, 2 other people are already there. One man looks at his phone. A woman holds a coffee cup. Nobody talks much. It is still early, and the morning feels slow. Soon the bus comes down the street. It stops near the sign, and the doors open. Nora gets on the bus and finds a seat near the window. She puts her bag on her knees and looks outside. The bus moves through the city in a smooth and quiet way. Nora sees houses, shops, cars, and people on the road. Some people are in a hurry, but she stays calm. She likes to watch the morning city wake up. After a short time, the bus reaches the train station. Nora gets off and walks inside. The station is bigger and louder than the street outside. People move in many directions, but she knows where to go. She follows the signs and walks to the platform. Her train is not there yet, so she waits for a few minutes. While she waits, she takes a notebook from her bag and reads one short page. Nora always carries a notebook with her. Sometimes she writes a small plan for the day. Sometimes she writes 1 or 2 new English words. She says the words quietly and smiles. It is a simple habit, but she likes it. Then the train arrives. The doors open and Nora steps inside. She finds a seat near the window again. The train starts moving and the city begins to pass by more quickly than before. On the train, Nora feels ready for the day. She is not at work yet, but she is close now. She looks at the station names, the buildings, and the morning light. Everything feels clear and organized. Sometimes she looks at the people around her too. One woman reads a page from a small book. A man drinks coffee from a paper cup. Another person closes a bag and looks out at the sky. Nobody says much, but the train is full of quiet morning habits. Nora likes that. It helps her stay calm before work. She opens her notebook again for a short moment. On one page, she has a small plan for the day. It is not a long plan. It is only a few simple ideas. Finish 1 report. Answer 1 message. Check 1 meeting time. Learn 1 new word. When the plan is small and clear, Nora feels better. She does not want a noisy start. She wants a clean and steady one. The train stops at another station and more people get on. A young man stands near the door. A woman with a blue bag sits near the corner. Someone checks the time on a phone. Someone looks at a sign above the seats. The city is awake now, but Nora still feels a little quiet space around her. She keeps that feeling for as long as she can. After a few stops, Nora stands up with her bag and walks to the door. The train stops and she gets off. Now she is near her office. She walks out of the station and crosses a small road. The office building is tall, but the inside feels quiet in the early morning. Nora goes in, says hello to one coworker, and walks to her desk. She puts her bag down and opens her notebook. Her desk is clean. A cup sits near the computer. A pen is next to the notebook. The screen is dark for one more second, and Nora enjoys that last small quiet moment before the workday really begins. Then she presses one key, and the screen wakes up. She looks at the clock, takes one slow breath, and sits down. Before she starts the first task, she reads her plan one more time. She likes to begin in a simple way. First, she checks the time of a meeting. Then, she opens one page from yesterday's notes. After that, she reads one short message from a coworker. Everything is easy to follow because she does it step by step. This is one reason she likes her morning trip. The bus, the train, the station, and the notebook all help her arrive with a clear mind. Her workday is ready to begin. The trip was simple, but it helped her prepare her mind. The bus, the train, the station, and the quiet morning all gave her time to think. Nora takes one slow breath and starts the day.